Hi you guys, it's Duwana here. I'm so excited because I'm going to be sharing more about my oversized hoodie that I made over here. Look at those colors, you guys. I love this fabric. This fabric is from Melanated Fabrics. It is so soft, guys. If you like feel the inside of it, it is so soft. Oh my God, it feels like cotton. But also today I'm going to also share with how I style this hoodie. So I'm not usually a person who wears hoodies out, but I love to be comfortable sometimes. And this oversized hoodie is perfect for me. Like if I just want to go out for a walk or a run or to the grocery store or something like that, I don't want to dress up when I go those places. So I wanted to make this oversized hoodie just for that. So I'm going to show you how I style it. So now listen, if I'm going to the grocery store, I'm running, I'm not going to be wearing this makeup. The makeup is because after this, we're going to go take pictures and see how it all looks together. Okay. So I got my earrings that I got at the beauty supply. I haven't worn something like this since probably college days. And I have, what else? I got my lashes. I got my eyeshadow to match the outfit. I got it all. Okay. So let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my hoodies.
Sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight the fear when I feel like dying. I'm trying to fly high, but I'm not a pilot, can't deny it. There's some days I feel idiotic.
Okay, enough of that. All right, so now that I have my hoodie on, I need to pick some shoes. So the options for the shoes were these colorful shoes, and I love these because they actually match my outfit. All right, like this is weird, like exact. It was like these were made for this fabric, right? And then I have Doc Martens. Lovely, lovely, so cool and stylish. All right, and then I also did a live vote on Instagram that I wanted people to let me know which one they thought would be better. So take a look. This is the live voting and what it says. Can you guys see the votes? See the votes. There we go. So it looks like the colorful shoes were 39% and the Doc Martens were 61%. And that's in real time. So that's the one that I'm gonna be wearing. Doc Martens. All right, so I got my Docs on. All right, I don't know if y'all can see them. So now I'm gonna take y'all to the studio where we're gonna take some pictures and I'm gonna show y'all the full look, all right? So stay tuned.
I look at you and it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met. Jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one.
All right, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed that photo shoot with my oversized hoodie that I'm still wearing. Stay tuned. I got so much more for you. I'm so excited. Don't forget to subscribe.